Alright, these are the newly modernized elevators. That doesn't work. These are the newly modernized elevators at the King Street and McMillan Avenue parking garage in Oshawa, Ontario. Look at those buttons. Let's see. I think this one's broken. Yep. Silver dish film these. That's nice. Yeah, that one's like, I guess, not working. That doesn't work. Put on one. Those are interesting buttons. I think those are Dewhurst. Not sure who modernized these. This has been completely redone. Maybe even completely replaced. Here we are at the first floor. Yeah, that doesn't work. It's one of the original key switches anyway. There it goes, and yeah, that one's not working. Anyway, that is it.